First thing we're gonna do is assemble these spindles, stick them on the truck so we can get our Wilwood custom front brakes on. Hey guys, Dustin coming to you from the UMI race shop today. And today we're gonna talk about brakes. So we're gonna switch hats here, do a little wardrobe change. Wilwood brakes. Hey guys, Dustin coming to you from Wilwood Brakes. We got a whole setup for the 79 C10, and I would like to go through it with you. So we reached out to the guys at Wilwood Brakes. Everyone knows Wilwood Brakes are, premium brakes in the autocross, drag racing, street cars. Like anywhere you can put brakes on a car, you put brakes on a car, and that's terrible. So we know for this 79 C10 that we're doing, we're gonna put a lot of power to it and we need to get to stop. So Wilwood sent us over a whole entire front kit for this truck. We're gonna do some fancy stuff just because that's how we are, fancy over here at UMI. We have their whole hub assembly, comes with all the hardware to put the hub on. They have this really, really unique billet spindle that has a bolt-on steering arm with all the hardware. And then just right down the line, we got their really, really nice billet aluminum master cylinder. We have the right size piston diameter for the brakes that we're using. We also have the proportioning valve that is adjustable with all the hardware. Really sweet feature with Wilwood is their two-piece rotors with the hats, the rotor, and all the hardware. All that comes together. Of course, to attach the caliper, we have this fancy billet caliper bracket. We also have a nice 6-piston caliper. These calipers are really gonna help this truck stop. And also, if you notice, we have a fancy gold, I keep saying,
Normally these come in red
or black, yeah. So as you can see, this caliper is a little different from the traditional black and gold colors. As you can see, this is a custom color here, not like the traditional red and black from the Wilwood calipers. We go on their website, they have a whole list of custom colors, and we're gonna try and tie this gold color into our truck and make it a little more fancy than normal. The caliper also came with the brakes and also all the brake lines to hook it up. So one-stop shop for Wilwood brakes. So because Wilwood brakes are such a premium product, we really like to use them on all of our UMI cars, from the quality and just the complete.
Come on, stop. You're slowing us down. We got to get these brakes put on this truck.
Well, let's go then, I guess.
These billet spindles from Wilwood are a real nice piece. They have a separate steering arm. Makes installation really nice. It's a nice component. It's going to work well on the truck. Luckily, these spindles are really lightweight. The cast iron spindles are a handful to get up in there and get mounted in your A-arms.
So Dave's got the job of assembling the spindles, and then while he's doing that, I'm going to throw the hats on the rotors.
Maybe we should.
What do you think about this custom color for these calipers?
Yeah, we're kind of going for a green for the money, gold for the honey situation, so I dig it.